try a different one here. And now I'm going to click remove background here in the new contextual taskbar inside of the newest version of Photoshop. But now I have to adjust everything else that doesn't make sense with this image. Of course, with the Photobacks template, everything is customizable. I'm going to double click on the T icon for the number 2 just to show you that all of the text is editable and all of the fonts are included with any product at photobacks.com. But most importantly, let's change the color to match the school colors. I'm going to click on the background, click on color and Photobacks Control plugin for Photoshop. Click on any color in the image. Go ahead and change anything here that you want to adjust. Maybe make these text boxes a different color. We'll make them match the school colors here. We don't need red, but how about some yellow that matches perfectly? Now, what about just really enhancing this image, making it pop? Now I'm going to go to Photobacks Control, click Comp. That creates a copy of everything we see on the screen, so I can make adjustments to this entire image at once. I'm going to go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and then I'm just going to adjust these sliders. So I'll go here and maybe say Auto, just to see what it does. I can adjust my exposure. I can change the contrast. I've got highlights. I've got shadows, everything here, and I'm just eyeballing it so I can bring out details of this image, but also just make it look a little more interesting and make it pop. And for a sports poster, you want this to pop, right? You want this to be clear, that clarity, but you can just see that there like that. Just amazing. You can see what that filter did before and then after. We want our images to look striking and exciting. This is sports.